Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another AFC Family video. Today's challenge is the egg challenge! Yeah! So guys, we're going to be placing a plastic bowl on this egg, and it's a two-player game. So for example, me and Amir are going to take turns and we're slapping the ball. So I slap the ball and he slaps the ball, and then like one of us might take the ball off, and the other player might smash the egg.
Salam alaikum, grano malgaro laga nan mu game چې کوم روان کړی دی دا لوبه دا پلاستیکي کاساده او دا اګیدا او دا به دغه باندې کې د دوه نفرو گیم به وي یو به په ار نمبر باندې به یو څپېړه وخی که ار چې دا اوچت که ابل چې څپېړه وخله کنټرولوي به که کنټرول نه کاږي وخله هغه لوبه بایلی نو دغسې لوبه کېږي تاسو د موږ سره پاتې شئ وګورئ چې څه کېږي. دوستای عزیز این کاسه است، این تخم مرغ است. مثلا این کیسه رو یعنی میمونیم دو نفر بازی میکنه و می بازی هر کس یک میزنه بالا میکنه. اگر هر وقت زود باز یکیش هم میگیره دیگرش که میزنه تخم، هر کس که تخم زد اگر مثلا کنترل کرد باز نمیبره دوباره سر کورش میکنه. اگر زد تخمه این بازی را باخت. خب کتی ما باشیم دیدیم که گیم چطور شروع بشه. اولی از سجاد از محمد will start it. سجاد محمد. Amir, Sajad and Amir. Sorry guys. Okay, now we will put here. Amir, you know the game, yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm not doing
But yes.
Only
okay.
one hand.
With one hand, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Sajad, go on.
I do one this hand.
Yes,
Yeah,
you
okay.
do this hand this one.
And you're free to go.
Hard.
How does it?
Yeah, Amir, keep going.
Fast. I'm kidding. Sorry.
Yeah, keep going, Amir. Fast. Amir is clever, mashallah. Look. Fast, quick. Yeah, well done, Amir. Fast, quick. yeah. Fast, quick. No, you have to be quicker.
Very fast.
Very
Amir.
fast. Quick. Guys, Sajad lost. So now get him tissue, Habibi. Yeah, get him tissue. I mean, what did you say? Look at him. He lost, yes?
Yeah. How does a
You
baby
win?
beat?
Did you win?
Yeah.
Well done. Thank you, Muhammad. And Muhammad, your plastic raka. So we should put this rubbish in it. Okay, guys, you saw that Sajad lost and he won. But Muhammad, give me one tissue for that. Okay.
So we need a new egg.
Yeah, give me. Well done. Yes, bring another egg as well. So, guys, this as you can see. Yeah. It's egg, guys. So we're gonna clean this place. Give me one more, Habibi. Guys, this is a glue. So we put it here. Blue tack. So the eggs doesn't run away. Okay, now we're gonna put this rubbish here in a side for all rubbish. Okay, now Amin Muhammad game is on. As you guys can see. Huh?
Can I have a bag, please? Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, guys, this is egg. Okay, me and Muhammad has to play now. Okay? No, me and Muhammad. You play already. After us, you play. Okay?
No, Dad.
Yeah, when me lose,
Yeah.
then you play against the winner.
I'm
Okay?
already used.
Yeah,
He said I'm gonna leave.
yes, he will lose.
I'm buying me one.
I mean, you will win. He's saying that we will win. So when I win, then we can, me and you can worse. Okay? Yalla. I control it, guys. I control my hand. Okay? Oh, sorry. It's my bad. Okay. I'm good. Good. No, he slided. He cannot do that. Yeah. Yalla. No. I lost. No. Amir, I lost. Sorry, guys. Muhammad was clever. He moved it so quick, so I couldn't control back. You know. Okay. So now I lost. Give me the bag, Baba. Muhammad, okay. Yeah, take tissue. Sorry, guys. We have to clean the bags again. Okay. We're gonna clean the dirts again. Okay, guys. So now, as you can see, I lost. Muhammad won.
Yeah.
So Amir and Sajjad was versing, and Sajjad lost. Me and Sajjad are the loser. Muhammad and Amir are the winner.
Woo!
So now, Bruno, do you want to get Sajjad Muhammad? Amir, what get Luba? Uzba, Sajjad, get Muhammad. Get another egg. For Uz, Amir or Muhammad was Kariyo Balsra Makablada.
Yeah.
You should win this time, okay?
I won. Ahmed won.
Yeah, he's very clever, mashallah. He won. Muhammad, who lost?
Yeah, Ahmed won and Bari won.
Did I win? I lose.
Come on, Ed. Please don't let me lose.
Okay, guys. Ross, you put the blue tag as well. Okay, no, that's fine. I think you can. Muhammad, get me the blue tag as well. Yalla, Habibi. Okay, guys, this is the, as you can see, this Muhammad Muhammad is very good in it. You see, he lost, Sajjad lost of it.
Again, my turn.
Huh? Yeah, now it's your turn. Okay, Muhammad, come and stand this.
Amir,
you have to be quick, okay? Okay, now the turn is Amir and Muhammad. Whoever this the final match.
Yeah.
Yes, you. Yeah.
You're in the finals. Good job.
Amir. Start it. Well done, Amir is good. Yeah. Okay.
That was too slow because
That was too slow. Okay, again, Amir, put it on it. Yalla. Okay. Yeah, this time, yalla. Amir is so clever, mashallah. Amir is clever, mashallah. Muhammad, you have to do it quicker as well. Well done. No, yeah, sure, yeah. He won.
I can't believe Amir beat me and Sajjad.
Look, guys, mashallah, it doesn't matter how big you are, but the main thing, how clever you are. Youngest of the family, but winner of the family. Am I right, guys?
Yeah, Amir, you're fine.
Well done, Amir, well done. Allah, well done. Okay, guys.
My hand not dirty.
Your hand is not dirty. Show it to the camera. My hand is not dirty. Look at it.
Not that.
Tell him I'm the winner. That's why.
And my one is that. Why?
Yeah. So Amir is the winner, guys. Sajjad, get me the blue bag.
Okay.
Guys, we're gonna end. We can take the picture as well. Hey, let me say, we're gonna end the video here. I will come back to your place. Sajjad, come back to your place. Leave that tissue here, Habibi, at the moment. Come back. Oh, sorry. Did you grab it? Yeah. Okay, guys. We're gonna end the video here.
We love you
all.
Bye.